Emotional intelligence (EI), also known as emotional quotient (EQ, refers to the ability to perceive, control, and evaluate emotions. This concept encompasses several skills, including self-awareness. This involves recognizing your own emotions and how they affect your thoughts and behaviors. For example, a self-aware person would notice if frustration is impacting their ability to concentrate at work, and take steps to address this emotion, perhaps by taking a short break or practicing mindfulness to restore their focus. Self-regulation. This is the ability to control or redirect disruptive emotions and impulses. For instance, if someone criticizes your work, instead of reacting angrily or defensively, self-regulation allows you to take a deep breath, process the feedback calmly, and respond constructively. Motivation within emotional intelligence refers to using one's emotions to pursue goals with energy and persistence. An example could be a person who feels excited and driven to achieve a promotion. Thus, they proactively seek opportunities to showcase their skills and contribute to their team's success. Empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. This is crucial in managing relationships. For example, a manager with high empathy might notice when one of their team members is feeling overwhelmed and offer additional support or adjust their workload accordingly. Social skills. Effective social skills enable an individual to manage relationships and influence others. An example of this might be someone who can effectively mediate conflicts within their team, encouraging a constructive discussion and helping to find a resolution that all parties can agree on. By enhancing these areas, individuals can improve their emotional intelligence, leading to better personal interactions and professional success. Emotional intelligence is crucial because it helps individuals navigate the social complexities of the workplace, lead and motivate others, and excel in their careers. Increasingly, employers value EI alongside technical abilities and professional experience, recognizing its impact on organizational success and leadership effectiveness. Moreover, EI is believed to play a role in overall mental health, relationship quality, and the ability to make decisions in a calm, informed manner.